Amazing Gulf front, 2 beds and 2 bath, 1,737 square feet. Corner condo including a 412 square feet. Wraparound L-shaped glass/screened enclosed lanai. Stunning interiors, large kitchen, laundry room, garage parking, large pool, tennis court and more. Creciente Condos feature one of the largest pool, plus tennis court and community rooms, and located on the most desirable part of the south end of Fort Myers Beach across from Santini Plaza and the dozen shops, marina and more. The condo was completely remodeled in 2009. All new bird's eye maple kitchen cabinets were installed with granite countertops and high-end kitchen appliances including convection microwave. Flooring is Botticino Turkish marble. Both bathrooms were completely remodeled including new tile, vanities with granite tops and oversized backsplashes. New AC in 2011. Washer and dryer in condo.Just, an incredible opportunity.